Hello students, welcome back to the concept of continuity. Okay, in the last class we solved 6 to 7 problems. Now I'd like to continue that part. Okay, concentrate on the board. Okay, the given function is f of x equal to modulus of x by x if x is not equal to 0, and if x equal to 0 it will be 0. I need to check the continuity at x equal to 0 because the function is changing its particular type of functions at 0 only. If it is not equal to 0, I need to take modulus of x by x. If it is equal to 0, I need to take 0. First of all, I'd like to write at x is equal to 0. Got the point? Okay, first of all, I'd like to define here LHL. What is LHL? Limit of f of x as x tends to 0 minus. What is the meaning of 0 minus? Concentrate on the board. 0 minus means whether it is equal to 0 or not equal to 0. 0 minus, whenever you are observing the graph, it will be 0 minus will be left of 0, means it is not equal to 0. I need to select a modulus of x by x. Got it? Then x tends to 0 minus. See how the modulus of x function is defined. Modulus of x function is defined if x less than 0, it is minus x. If x is greater than or equal to 0, it is plus x. 0 minus means less than 0, it will be minus x. I'd like to write limit as x tends to 0 minus will be, numerator will be minus x. Got it? By using this definition, denominator will be, let it be x as it is. X will be cancelled. We got the value minus 1. LHL value is minus 1. Okay. In the similar manner, I need to solve the RHL. What is RHL? Limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus means right part of 0. Right part of 0 will be like this. Right part of 0 is equal to 0, not equal to 0. Yes, it is not equal to 0. Then also I need to select the first function. What is the first function? Yes, modulus of x divided by x. This modulus of x is nothing but x greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 0 means 0 plus. 0 plus means greater than or equal to 0. Positive I need to take. Limit as x tends to 0 plus it will be x by x. Why it is positive? 0 plus is greater than 0, that's why positive x. X will be cancelled. What I got the value? 1. Here LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore, the given function is not continuous at x equal to 0. Understood clearly? Observe the next one. It's a ninth one. Function is defined for less than 0, greater than or equal to 0. Got it? For that reason, I need to check the continuity at x equal to 0. Okay. Now, at x equal to 0, what is LHL value? How I have to define a LHL? Limit of f of x as x tends to 0 minus. Limit of x tends to 0 minus. What is the meaning of 0 minus? Less than 0. Less than 0 means first function or second function? Yes. Less than 0 means first function. I need to replace f of x with a x divided by modulus of x. Got the point clearly? Okay. Limit of x tends to 0 minus x divided by, what is this modulus of x? How I have to define? Modulus of x will be defined in this manner that we already learned. For x less than 0, it is minus x. For x greater than or equal to 0, it is plus x. 0 minus, what is 0 minus? Yes, 0 minus is less than 0. What is less than 0? Minus x. Why we are replacing modulus of x as a minus x? Because it is 0 minus less than 0. Less than 0 means this is a function. Got it? Okay. Plus x minus x will, this is x will be cancelled. What is leftover value? Its leftover value is minus 1. Got it? Then in the right hand means RHL, I need to define in the similar manner. What is RHL? Limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus. Got it? What is 0 plus? Concentrate on the board. Limit as x tends to 0 plus. What is 0 plus? Greater than 0. Greater than 0 means right part of 0. Right part of 0 means that is x greater than or equal to 0. Which function I need to select? I need to select minus 1. Limit applied to constant. I got the constant value. Whether LHL is same as RHL? Yes. LH is same as RHL, and at that particular point I need to check what is f of 0 now. What is f of 0? Means equal to 0. Equal to means first function or second function? Yes, it is a second function. Its value is directly we can write minus 1. Means limit exists. We can write this one as a limit of f of x as x tends to 0. This is LHL RHL. Limit function is equal to, it is equal to f of 0. Means given function is continuous at x is equal to 0. Observe the next one. It is a 10th one. a function that defined properly, the function is changing its value for greater than 1 and less than 1. Okay, means I need to check the continuity at x is equal to 1. Got the point clearly? Okay, now how I have to check? I need to define here LHL. What is LHL? Can you say limit of f of x as x tends to 1 minus. 1 minus means less than 0. Less than 0 means it is greater than 1, it is less than 1. Less than 1 means what I need to take? Yes, exactly. Limit of x tends to 1 minus less than 1. Which function is there? X square plus 1. Got it? Okay. X replaced by 1, it will be 1 square plus 1. What is 1 square plus 1? It is 2. Is it okay? Then, what about the next? I need to check RHL. What is RHL? Can you say? Limit of f of x as x tends to 1 plus. 1 plus means greater than 1. What is greater than 1? Greater than 1 is nothing but x plus 1 I need to take. X tends to 1 plus. I need to select x plus 1. X replaced by 1. What is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 value will be 2. Here LHL equal to RHL. Okay, I need to check at that point also. What is at that point? F of exactly 1. What is f of 1? Equal to 1 is first function or second function? Yes, it is the first function. F of x is x plus 1. F of 1 is 1 plus 1. It is 2. Okay, whether limit of the function value is equal to at that point means we can conclude here limit of f of x as x tends to 1 is equal to what? F of 1 means the function is continuous function. Okay, concentrate on the next one. F of x is equal to the given function is f of x, x less than 2 for x cube minus 3, x greater than 2, x square plus 1. So I need to check the continuity at x equal to 2. Okay, now at x equal to 2, first of all I'd like to define LHL. What is LHL? Limit of f of x as x tends to 2 minus. What does the meaning of 2 minus? It is less than 2. Okay, left of 2 or less than 2. Less than 2 means first function I need to select x cube minus 3. Here x replaced by 2. 2 to the power 3 minus 3. 2 to the power 3 is 8 minus 3. Its value will be 5. Got the point clearly? Okay, then what about the RHL value? The RHL value is limit of f of x as x tends to 2 plus. What about the value of limit of x tends to 2 plus? 2 plus will be greater than 2. Greater than 2 means second function I need to select x square plus 1. X is replaced by 2 square plus 1. 2 square will be 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. Means LHL is equal to RHL. I need to check at that point also. What is at that point? That is f of exactly 2. F of exactly 2 means x less than equal to. Equal to means first condition I need to take. F of x is x cube minus 3. F of 2 is 2 to the power 3 minus 3. The value will be 5. Means the given function is continuous at x is equal to 2. Got the point? Therefore, no point of discontinuity, or for all the real numbers, the given function is continuous. Observe the next one. Here, the function is changing its value at exactly less than 1, different one, x greater than 1, different one. For that reason, I need to check the continuity at x equal to 1. What is LHL? Can you say? LHL will be limit of f of x as x tends to 1 minus limit as x tends to 1 minus. 1 minus means less than 1. Less than will be first function x raised to 10 minus 1. It will be 1 raised to 10 minus 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Got the point? Okay. Then the next step will be RHL, limit of f of x as x tends to 1 plus. Okay. What is the meaning of 1 plus? It is greater than 1. Greater than 1 is x square. What is the value? X replaced by 1. 1 square value will be 1. LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore, the given function is not continuous at x is equal to 1. Observe the next one. The function is changing its value at 1, less than 1, different one, greater than 1, different one. That's why I need to check the continuity at x is equal to 1. Got the point? Okay, LHL, what should be the LHL? Limit of f of x as x tending to 1 minus limit as x tending to 1 minus. What is the meaning of 1 minus? Less than 1. What is less than 1? X plus 5, x replaced by 1, it is 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5 will be 6. Is it okay? Then what should be the RHL value? The RHL value will be limit of f of x as x tending to 1 plus limit as x tending to 1 plus, what is 1 plus? Greater than 1. Greater than 1 is x minus, it is x is replaced by 1, 1 minus 5, it is minus 4. LHL is not equal to RHL. It means the given function is not continuous at x is equal to 1. Observe the next question. By observing the question only, it will be continuous or discontinuous, you can understand. At exactly 1, see, I need to check the continuity. What is 1 minus value? 3. 1 plus value, it is 4. Okay, I wrote the system in the real number line. What is 3 minus? 3 minus value will be 4. 3 plus value will be 5. Means LHL and RHL at 1 and 3, it is not equal, means it is not continuous. But I would like to prove this one by using the regular system. At x equal to 1, I would like to check what is LHL? Limit of f of x as x tending to 1 minus limit as x tending to 1 minus, what is 1 minus? Less than 1. What is less than 1? Its value is 3. Otherwise you can understand 1 minus will be 3. Got it? It will be 3 only. Is it clear? Then what about the RHL value? RHL value will be limit of f of x as x tending to 1 plus limit as x tending to 1 plus, what is 1 plus? Greater than 1. Greater than 1 value will be 4. It will be 4 only. Got it? LHL is not equal to RHL. Got it? Then in the similar manner, I need to check at x is equal to 3 now. Got it? Put it as x equal to 3. What is LHL? LHL will be limit of f of x as x tending to 3 minus. What is 3 minus? This will be 3 minus. Which is the value for the 3 minus? X tending to 3 minus will be 4. Less than 3, it is 4. It will be 4 only. What about the RHL value? Can you say? RHL value will be limit of f of x as x tending to 3 plus. It will be limit as x tending to 3. What is 3 plus? 3 plus value will be 5. Greater than 3 will be 5. Okay, it will be 5. LHL is not equal to RHL. Means the points of discontinuities are 1 and 3. Concentrate on the question. The function is defined for less than 0 to x, less than 0 to x. In between 0 and 1, it is 0, that I wrote 0 here. Greater than 1, it is 4x, 4x I wrote. Got it? Means I can define 0 minus 0 plus 1 minus 1 plus. Means I can check the continuity at x is equal to 0 and x equal to 1. First, I'd like to take x equal to 0. Limit of f of x as x tending to 0 minus limit x tending to 0 minus. 0 minus is left of 0. What is left of 0? It is 2x. What is 2 into 0? It will be 0. LHL value is 0. What should be the RHL value now? Limit of f of x as x tending to 0 plus greater than 0. What is greater than 0? Already they given it as a 0 only. It is 0 plus will be 0. That's why LHL is equal to RHL. What about at that point equal to? Here x equal to 0 means function f of x will be, means f of 0 will be 0. Means it is continuous at x is equal to 0. Then I need to check the continuity at x is equal to 1. Concentrate. What should be the LHL? LHL is limit of f of x as x tending to 1 minus. Got it? 1 minus less than 1. What is 1 minus? Its value will be 0. X tending to 1 minus. Its value will be 0. Limit applied to constant. Yes, we got the constant value. Okay. What is the RHL value? RHL will be limit of f of x as x tending to 1 plus. What is 1 plus? It is limit as x tending to 1 plus greater than 1. Greater than 1 is 4x. it will be, okay, 4 into x replaced by 1, 4 into 1 will be 4, LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore, the given function is not continuous at x is equal to 1. Observe the next question. Function is defined for less than minus 1, it is minus 2. Less than minus 1, minus 2. In between minus and 1, it is 2x. It is 2x. Greater than 1, its value will be 2. That I wrote 2 here. Means I can check the continuity at x is equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1. I'll write the LHL value. What is LHL? Limit of f of x as x tending to minus 1 minus limit x tending to minus 1 minus left of minus 1. What is left of minus 1? Its value will be minus 2. Answer will be minus 2. Okay. Then what about the RHL value? RHL value will be limit of f of x as x tending to minus 1 plus. Okay, now limit x tending to minus 1 plus will be, it is, yes, 2x. X is replaced by minus 1, it's a minus 2. LHL is same as RHL. Got it? Okay. After this condition, I need to check at that point. At that point means f of x is x equal to minus 1. What is f of minus 1? Whenever it is minus 1, its value will be minus 2. Okay. Got it? Means all the three values are same. That's why it is continuous function at x equal to 1, minus 1. Okay. I'd like to check the continuity at x is equal to 1. Okay. What's the LHL? LHL value will be limit of f of x as x tending to 1 minus. Okay, now how it should be 1 minus? Limit as x tending to 1 minus less than 1. Less than 1 to x. Here it is less than 1 will be 2x. Okay, it is 2 into 1, it will be 2. Is it clear? What about the RHL value? RHL value will be limit of f of x as x tending to 1 plus. Okay, limit as x tending to 1 plus greater than 1. Greater than 1 is 2. X greater than 1 is, its value will be 2. Okay, again we got 2 here. Now LHL is same as RHL. Okay, at that point I need to check f of 1. Okay, equal to 1. Equal to 1 means second function f of x is 2x. F of 1 is 2 into 1. What is 2 into 1? 2. Means the given function is continuous for all the points. Observe the next question. F of x is equal to ax plus 1, bx plus 3. One is less than 3, another one is greater than 3. Here in this one, find the relationship between a and b so that the function f of x is continuous at x is equal to 3. Okay, concentrate. At x is equal to 3, the given function is continuous. Continuous means LHL equal to RHL. Just we need to define for what value of a and b it is continuous. Okay, I'd like to define at x is equal to 3. What is the LHL value? Can you say? Limit of f of x as x tending to 3 minus limit as x tending to 3 minus, what is the 3 minus? Can you say? Less than 3. It will be ax plus 1. X is replaced by 3. It is 3a plus 1. It is our LHL part. Okay. In the similar manner, RHL, what is RHL? Limit of f of x as x tending to 3 plus. Okay. 3 plus means it is greater than 3. What is a greater than 3 function? Greater than 3 will be bx plus 3. Okay. X replaced by 3, 3b plus 3. Got it? Don't think LHL is not equal to RHL. Concentrate. The function is continuous at x equal to 3. Given f of x is what? Continuous at x is equal to 3. They given already it is continuous at x equal to 3. So LHL must be equal to RHL by the given data. Okay. If LHL equal to RHL means it is 3a plus 1 is equal to 3b plus 3. Okay. Now I need to find the relation here. It will be very simple. 3b on left hand side minus 3b. Here 3 let it be as it is. 1 on right hand side it is minus 1. Here 3 is common. What is remaining? A minus b is equal to 3 minus 1. Its value will be 2. Okay, now what is a minus b is equal to? It's a 2 by 3. Whether you understood the part clearly? Okay. Then the next will be, I'd like to define both here. It is A, I'd like to take minus B on right hand side. It will be B plus 2 by 3. I got the A value. Got it? Okay. Now in the similar manner, B on right hand side, it will be positive B. Let it be on left hand side only. 2 by 3 taken on left hand side. It's a 2 by 3. It is a relation between A in terms of B and B in terms of A. Got it? Okay. Practice all the problems. Okay. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Do good.